super excited because I love Saturday and I made a bunch of ferments last Saturday and checked them all out. I'm working on tomato ferments for you because I found out through studies that the lycopene in tomatoes, one of the most protective antioxidants, is enhanced, more bioavailable, and multiplies when we ferment the tomatoes. Amarillo, I have a salsa amarillo that I'm fermenting, and lots of red tomatoes for sauces and salsas. And today I'm testing my kosher deli dills. If you haven't fermented these awesome pickles with Protective Diet yet, you've got to give them a shot. It's a quick ferment, and we're in the season now. It's summer for cucumbers. I gotta get out a big one. I had some cut ones I put on the top so that I could fit them into my 2-quart jar. Part of Protective Diet education, we did a lot of fermenting over the winter, and I hope you're taking advantage of the crops and preserving your vegetables this way with lacto-fermentation to improve your gut flora, your gut microbiome. You might be hearing those words. Well, this is loaded with lactic acid. It's produced by lactobacillus, which helps to protect our immune system. Get into these ferments. They're so much fun, like kitchen crafts. Preserving my vegetables on a shelf in my kitchen, and then I transfer them to the fridge for ready-made condiments to top my Pro Bowls, Protective Diet Pro Bowls. And I've got kids spaghetti in my pressure cooker cooking in just minutes. And I'm gonna top that with the flavorful kids spaghetti sauce that mixes up in a bowl, lickety-split on a Protective Diet. And I'm topping it with my probiotic onions.
What are we gonna have for dessert?
Ruby raw kraut. That's not dessert, Jerry.
No.
This is cornbread under pressure that I cooked in my pressure cooker yesterday. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. For dessert, we are going fruit heavy.
Oh, yes.
We have apricots, we have kumquats, and we have papayas in the refrigerator that we need to eat up. We have a watermelon, we have grapefruit, we have Blanco grapefruit that are so sweet here in Southern California that I'm not making dessert. We've got to eat all of this good protective fruit on a Protective Diet. I've got to show you the crunch of this pickle.
I heard that.
Oh my god. These taste just like the deli that I grew up eating pickles out of the big jar. And
It looks like it too.
North Shore, Chicago, where I grew up. Oh my
Yeah,
god,
it looks like
they're
a little
so
pickle.
delicious. And these are good for me. These are low in sodium, but delicious. And garlicky, dill, and the crunch. I'll show you how to make these. Ooh, I left my pressure valve open. Kitchen mistakes happen here in my workplace for wellness, my Protective Diet test kitchen too sometimes. But everything is going to turn out beautifully. Get to that kid spaghetti if you haven't tried that recipe yet, and all my fermented recipes. They're so much fun and so protective. This isn't really kid spaghetti sauce. This is a new mac and cheese. I put some baby kale in there, of course, on a Protective Diet, but I see how it's stringy and cheesy. This is what I'm working on. It's totally nut-free, fat-free, of course, on a Protective Diet. And let me show you how I turn this into a Pro Bowl on a Protective Diet. That's right. Jerry and I finish off a pound of pasta, no problem, and no cardio. Sometimes I can't believe it. I'm down over 125 pounds, and Jerry and I split a pound of pasta. Yep, that's right. Sometimes I go a little shy. I give Jerry a little more than me because I want to stay smaller than Jerry.
That's good.
No, actually, you're good.
I said that. No, that's good. That you're smaller than me.
Oh yeah. Actually, I If I get full, I just hand him my bowl and he finishes it off because I want to save room for dessert for all my summer fresh fruit. And then I turn it into a pro bowl by adding toppings, my fermented toppings. I always have to eat my pasta with chopsticks. And I add my ruby raw kraut, adding my probiotics, my lactobacillus to the top, and we mix it in. This jar is almost done. We've been going through a couple jars of this a week, no problem, because we make them ourselves. It's so easy to prepare and keeps things handy. It adds freshness and vegetables. These super protective probiotic onions taste so tangy and delicious. They have a flavor that's just indescribable. And save that brine, because we're using that in many of the protective diet recipes coming up. And then I have some fresh tomatoes I add to the top. You can keep going with this and add all kinds of things, whatever you have handy in your workplace for wellness. And and don't forget the probiotic pepper sauce. This is our fermented hot sauce. The best part, Jerry. Do you want some on yours? Or
Yes,
do it
please.
yourself? There we go. There's our Pro Bowls on a protective diet. Take care. Best of health. Oh, you want me to take a bite?
Mm-hmm.
I never take a bite.
I've been waiting for this.
We've been waiting. Jerry's always waiting.